Hey everybody, I miss you guys. Uh, and now I have an assignment for you that I wanted to just talk to you face to face a little bit. So you can't say anything back, but I can say hello. So we have an assignment about this cross that I would like you to write about. And I'm sorry, my glasses were a little glary, so I'm taking them off and now I can't see you anymore, and that makes me a little less nervous about this video thing. So that's good. Um, I am going to ask you to write an assignment for your Passion Week cross that is going to be published. If we would have been at school, it would have been on the wall. There would have been lots and lots of visitors to our Passion Week walk that would read it. There would be lots of students that would read it. There would be lots of teachers that would read it. So I would like it to be that quality. So I'm going to give you a little writing lesson. And this probably will not be new stuff to you, but I'm just reminding you. So for starters, the topic sentence, that's what this one is about. And I'll make two other quick little clips about the middle, the details, and then the concluding sentence. So the topic sentence, how do you write a topic sentence? We were really working on this hard on the rock cycle paragraph before we left, right? And many of you had to go back to the drawing board again and again because I wasn't satisfied with the topic sentence that you had chosen. So I'm going to be picky about this one too. A topic sentence needs to include, well, ta-da, the topic, and the main point of the paragraph. So the gist of this paragraph is that you're going to be explaining the materials that you chose to make the cross and what kind of connection is there between those materials and the biblical story of the cross. I'm asking you to think metaphorically. I'm asking you to think deeply about this. I don't want you to just whip something together quick and plop it down and call it good. This is more meaningful than that. So, what kind of materials you're using? Some of you might kind of go, "Ooh, I gotta scratch that project and I need to make another cross because my first idea was a little on the flat side." Hopefully, that's not you. But so now you're going to write about it. What did those materials mean? That's the idea of this paragraph. That's the main concept. So somewhere you're going to, in your topic sentence, you're going to mention the idea of the cross and the materials and that they have a deeper meaning than just the stuff they're made of. Okay. So please, 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 please don't make me say to you, do this topic sentence again because you said, I'm going to tell you about. Oh, I can't stand that. Don't do that. Don't tell me that you're going to write. Don't tell me what you're going to write about. Just write about it. Right? So you're not going to say, this paper is about blah, 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 blah. No. You're not going to say, I'm going to tell you about blah, 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 blah. Yeah, don't tell me what you're going to write about. Don't tell me that you're going to. I mean, like if I meet you in the hallway, I don't say hello. I'm going to, in just a minute, I'm going to say hello to you. And then in a minute, I say hello. No, I don't. Doesn't make any sense, right? So your topic sentence needs to be intriguing. It needs to be well written. It needs to be strong. So please make your topic sentence strong. Work at it. Don't just write one down and say, meh, good enough. Right? I'm not gonna be happy with that anyway. Make it do it again. So, a nice, strong topic sentence has to have the topic, has to have the main idea mentioned in it. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple of ideas that I wrote down of words that you could use to begin a topic sentence, right? So you don't have to do this, but here's an idea. Okay, so could you start with if blah, 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 then blah, 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 blah. Could you use that pattern? Could you say, even though da, 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 could that begin your sentence? Could you use when make that the beginning of your topic sentence? Can you find a quote? Goodness knows you have access to the internet right now, right? Can you find a quote that would help get you off on the right foot? In that case, you might begin with a quote. That might be your hook. And then your topic sentence comes after that. That might be okay. But at any rate, your topic sentence is important. Your topic sentence is what makes your reader stick around and read more. So don't be satisfied with my paragraph is about. Blah. We don't want that, right? So anyway, I'm looking forward to what you come up with. I'm excited about that. I'm going to make a couple more of these quick little clips about the rest of your paragraph. I'm looking for meaty details coming up and then how to make that satisfying conclusion. Those will be next. Okay, get to work. Oh, and by the way, this paragraph needs to have a clever title, which isn't part of the topic sentence, but it might be an idea that's in the topic sentence. It also might be something that you come back to in the conclusion. So don't let that clever title slip away, okay? Don't be satisfied with something like my cross project. Blah! You can do so much better than that. So think of something clever. Um, think deeply about this. You know, you got people around you to have a conversation about this with right now. Use those people. They're very smart. They're very smart. Okay. See you in a little while. Bye bye.